Let's walk through how to unzip a file using RoboArchitect. At the current time, the only extension that's supported is the zip extension, but just so you know, we have support for all major zip extensions coming very shortly. So I have an example here of an unzip command that I have. Very simple, just one line. RoboArchitect unzip. We're going to unzip this test unzip folder, and the destination that we're going to unzip it to is this target location. So I'm just going to run this. And once it completes, we'll see that our log is generated. RoboArchitect supports different levels of logging. So the default is info, so you'll just see the high level unzipped, but you can also upgrade to debug and trace to see more detail in the event that you're troubleshooting any issues. If I go into my target folder, I now see my test zip file that I had. Alternatively, if you don't know how to write the command to unzip and you want to just go through a graphical interface, we do have our RoboArchitect UI project, which can be found here at villanianalytics.github.io/RoboArchitectUI. And here you can just use the dropdown for the command to select unzip, and all the required parameters are going to appear. And once you fill each of these out, so we have our test unzip.zip file, we have our target destination, we have the ability to create the custom log. So if we chose yes, we could enter a custom name, we could choose one of those levels that we discussed earlier, info, debug, and trace, with trace being the most granular that we support at this time. And then we can select our output, whether we want this to be a Windows, Linux, or Mac script. Once we click the Generate button, we're going to get a file download, a zip file download, and inside there we have the script that was generated. And if I just open that, we'll see that it's a very similar script that we generated, that we wrote on our own. We have our RoboArchitect, the unzip command, source file, destination directory, and RoboArchitect UI will pass in this log level parameter as well.